Ready to ditch vanilla and dive into a universe of custom adventures with your friends? First, head over to CursorForge, the treasure trove of Minecraft modpacks, and find one that sparks your interest. Browse through the categories or search for a specific pack, let's say, Better Minecraft for this example, and download the server pack, which is typically a zip file. Once downloaded, create a brand new, empty folder on your computer, name it something descriptive like Better Minecrafter, and extract all the contents of the server pack zip file directly into this folder. This folder is going to be the heart of your modded server. Inside this folder, you'll find a file to launch the server. It might be named Server Startbat on Windows or Starch on Linux. Before you click that, locate the EULA's file, open it, and change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to agree to the Minecraft and user license agreement. This is a crucial step. Now, double-click that startup script file to kick things off. A command prompt window will appear, showing the server loading up all those glorious mods. The first run will take a while as it generates all the necessary files and world data, so be patient. While the server is starting, navigate to the server properties file within the same server folder. This is where you fine-tune your server settings, change the max players to your desired player count, set the game mode, adjust the difficulty, and importantly, set the online mode to false if you don't plan on using a paid Minecraft account to play on the server. Once the server is fully loaded, you'll see a message in the console indicating it's ready now. Launch your Minecraft game. Ensure you have the correct version of Minecraft installed that matches the modpack you downloaded, and that you also have the modpack installed on your client using the CursorForge launcher. In Minecraft, click Multiplayer, then add server, enter a server name, and in the server address field, type localhost if you're playing on the same computer as the server, or your server's public IP address if your friends are connecting from other networks. Hit done, and if everything went smoothly, your modded server should appear in the server list. Connect, explore, and enjoy your new customized Minecraft adventure with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials.